Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Here, Oh, that's not even plugged in. All right, so we are up this morning, and it looks like we're even getting a nice little pullback. So it's a good little start to the day. Tyler, good morning. Let's see. Mom, good morning. Ken, good morning. Chakuti, good morning. Ken, once again, good morning. Yo, where's my camera? Oh, it's over here. Yeah. Hope all y'all had a good evening. I hope y'all's portfolios are up. And yeah, good morning once again. Nvidia had a nice little had some nice earnings. Oh, how am I supposed to get my thumb in here? Top of the morning, Kelly. Evil Knievel, good morning. I'm gonna have to undo this. Yoko, good morning. Here, let's see. Yeah, so SPY has pulled back a little bit, but we still might be able to get a further push up. I think this is a good little entry opportunity or re-entry opportunity. All right, so let's go over some things while we're just here chilling. Also, shout out to the 11 out of 19 of you that have smashed the like button. Good little amount to start the day with. All right, so here, let's get to it. All right, so this morning, this is the data we got in. So we got preliminary GDP, unemployment claims. I would imagine this is what brought the market back down. We making bread? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We already should already have some there. Actually, hold up real quick. Let me check on that Joby I picked up yesterday. I hadn't even looked at Joby. Let's see. Check the. Oh yeah, it's about 7 cents from the money. Hey, I'll see profit, take profit on that if it stays down there. Could fall some more, but I'm not trying to take a chance on that. I'm just gonna take it and run. All right, let's see. Made $2 on trades and lost 13 on one, but I knew I should not have taken that last trade, so I consider it a win mentally. But let's get this bread. Hey, for real. I saw saw the reel you posted yesterday after the fact. Good to see you putting it out. Hey, feedback will come in from the people over time. Just hey, keep it up, family. Christine, good morning. Nvidia is up. Here, let's see. So Nvidia made the move it needed to yesterday. I think I said if you were, I think this line right here. No, not exactly. Here, let's go back to a 4 hour. So Nvidia, I think the number for it to be profitable to buy the contracts that were at the money, it needed to get above about I think it was 140 and some change. So now looking at Nvidia where it is right now, if it opens right here, that should be at least $260 profit. The momentum as well should make it probably more than that. That's good. Hey, what's up? What's up, Matt? Yes, I'm Matthew. You're Matthew. We're not all Matthew, but there's some Matthews in here. What was the play I told you? Oh no. So Oh, I guess your AMD didn't play out. That's what I was thinking about. Yeah, good morning, Matthew. So yeah, looks like Nvidia did not upset. So that AMD gamble is not gonna play out. AMD should be up. Where we at? Hey, real quick, let's check in on AMD. Yo, where's it at? Oh, there we go. Oh, why is it? Hey, why is it sounding off like that? Hey, it popped up to like 117, but yeah, I don't see that 103 playing out. Oh, you didn't end up taking it? Good, good. I'm in since last week, so should be. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. That's what we love to hear. I remember 600 used to be like a good, like a nice check for me at Amazon, like nice. Good morning, everyone. I'm not. Yeah, not Matt or Matthew, but Math 3DRC. Hey, it was good seeing you last night. Appreciate it. Appreciate you rolling through, showing your face on the stream. Always good to put a face to a name. Video Rillo, good morning. D Scurb, good morning. Hold up, let me. Here we go. Funkotronimus, good morning. Hey, we got 43 people on, 19 likes. Hey, come through. Hey, smash that like, family. Smash that like. Yeah, plenty of green today. Back to what's going on today. We do have pending home sales at 9 a.m. So be on the lookout for that as well. Kai Blizzy, buenos dias. Hoping my call will print. Hey, you and me both. I'm hoping like this holds its support. I mean, it's also like kind of cool if it comes down here, but I'm also cool with like, yo, let's take off here. Liking, not lurking. Yeah, that's hey. We appreciate the likes, family. Yeah, we'll see what kind of day they want to give us. It's so weird. Like there's always some sort of script here. Let's go to like the 15. See what kind of. Let me turn on the 40. Okay, so right now I'm gonna look at these EMAs on the 15. And here, let me clear that out. I'm gonna look at these EMAs on the 15 just to see how we're looking. See if anything looks different. I have puts on Qs 4 and Fubo. Oh, you got Quantum's okay. QS and Fubo. You got puts on Fubo too? Here, let's see. Take a quick look at Fubo. I would love for Fubo to come down. Hey, wait, quick shout out to Elf. Y'all look at that. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful earnings. But here we're about to look at Fubo. Yes, kind of looks like it possibly basing out for now, or not basing out, but like possibly topping out, kind of doing a little consolidating. We'll see what happens from here. Brandon, good morning. You said those puts are pricey. I would say wait until the market opens in about a minute and 10 seconds now. Give it a minute after that, and then look at the puts. The price will probably go down. Let them refresh. SPY has been so, yes, the market has been very weird, and it has gotten me to the point of resulting to day trade. Hold on, hold on. Let me pull Joby back up because I think I'm gonna try to take profit. Oh, see, they're trying to push it back up a little bit. I like this 836 right here, but I was trying to take profit at open. Let's see here. Let me look at it on a 15. Or let me look at it on a 5 actually. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not liking that. I want to see it keep going down. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get out with a little profit. All right, so we got market about to. Oh, it's jumping now. I'm gonna need that to chill out. Yo, it's like they're teasing me. Like I'm like, yo, let's take profit on this Joby, and then Joby's like, hold up, something's up. Oh, Joby's up. Hey, it's still up. Like it's up. Like oh no, it's gone, bro. That was a tease, bro. What is this? That's wild. It flashed like $20 profit for a second. I was about to take it. I couldn't even put submit. I'll have that there. Keep watching that. Here, let's see. Mr. P365, good morning. Sean, good morning. Elegant Moon, good morning. C3AI. Hey, let's take here. We'll have to go up to more charts. Where'd that pop up? Oh, it's right here. I feel like I want to see this pull back first. We'll see. It could break out here. Let me chart. I guess the range on it. Oh yeah, it's already kind of trying to. Yeah, it's already testing it. So I guess just watch and see if it confirms up here. Bro, Joby has me tripping though. 588 call from yesterday. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. I should probably sell if they go down after open. Possibly. Hold on, I kind of need things to slow down a little bit at this open for me to answer like analysis questions. I mean, it looks like it's pulling back a little bit. All right, I see the SPY here, and I want to see if we can get like we got a little pullback happening right now. I would love to see if we touch this trend line again. If we pull back to this trend line, hey, I'll try to take some upside. Let me also check let me check my oh yeah, that portfolio is green. But let me see if I have any day trades. I can still get around it because I'm in a margin account, but oh, I got a day trade too. So hey, this might be a sweep of liquidity right here. I might be a little early, but let me look at the SPY. Let me see what the options are looking like. All right, I got my eye on the contract. I want to see how it does here. SoFi finally going, is it? Let's see. All right, I guess I'll have to come back to Joby. SoFi. SoFi is almost at a pickup level. All right, so I might be early. Hold on, let me count the days on that real quick too. So today's the 29th. Okay. Yeah, I'm cool with that. All right, so I grabbed a $600 SPY call, but it expires June 4th. I like this area of support. If this area breaks, I'll like reevaluate. I think I'm willing to like take it as low as this trend line, but I think we're coming back up. Got some time, so I'm not like too worried about that. Let me share that with the family real quick. All right, so just grabbed a $600 SPY call, paid. What was it? What did I pay? $186 per share. It expires June. I think it was 4th. Yeah. There we go. Let's get that added real quick too. And let me also think we had got in about right there. Here, we're going to swap this one out. So June 4th. There we go. All right. Okay, yeah, AI is or C3 AI is, hey, it is pushing, but we'll SoFi, this, like, if SoFi is going to hold up, this is like the best point to grab a call. Just for the record, if SoFi is going to hold up, this is where you grab a call. I'm not going to grab a call, but assuming that they're going to hold up, this is where you want to grab a call. Probably going to be your best entry. All right, let's see. It's so weird holding these contracts overnight. Yeah, that's like one of the hardest parts of this market. Like, all these price swings they're out of this world. All right, so we got the Qs kind of pulling back. We'll watch and see if they could like come back to this 522. We'll see. Still no like confirmation or anything. Still kind of early. Still got some data at what is it? We got data like 30 minutes in the market open. Oh, you said, how does SoFi look for calls at the trend line? Or so yeah, once again, all with SoFi, I would say it looks like, I mean, all I can do with SoFi is just look and see, like, hey, there's a trend line. On the 15, it doesn't look good, but there's also like a little liquidity at 313. But if it comes past that, it's done. But I think they're just gonna kind of sell us. It looks like they're selling us off to start the day, kind of like scare us. Quick, wait, hold up, and it dropped. Quick profit on CoreWeave, good stuff. Yeah, Elf going crazy. Yeah, the portfolio is very much so enjoying that. Let's see. Yeah, it's going crazy. Hey, up 31%. I wish I had more shares. I only had like low key. I only have two. I didn't think they like bounced back that quick, but I'm like up. I'm up like 83% on my 84% of my shares. I'm gonna just hold those, let them go where they go. Should I sell Meta right now before it drops? Had a 660 call. Um, where's Meta right now? I personally, I don't know. It kind of, where's Meta? I'm gonna say that decision comes to you, but if we're asking like what I think the potential for Meta is, I think it is very well possible that it can come back up to that. I think right now we're just kind of selling off to kind of provide some liquidity and relief. I think we're going to end up pushing higher. I think this level will hold. You said it's dropping terrible. All right, so on AI, we got our first candle close above the kind of level was at. Yeah, and it's very strong. Might be something to pursue. Kareem, good morning. What are your thoughts on picking up UNH at this level? Shares? Um, I, I think UNH is yeah, it's good long term in my opinion. I feel like it's possible for it to be lower, but I feel like it's a good level to pick it up. All right, so we got SPY pulling back. We got the Qs pulling back. Not for the long term, but for some quick profit. I don't know about that. Um, if I'm looking for quick profit like UNH, I also want to see that it is. I also want to see something is oversold if I'm trying to ride it up, and I want to take something that I think is quick. So if it's not oversold, which it shouldn't be oversold like it was anymore, then yeah. Like you see over here, all this it was oversold, and actually it got like kind of more oversold. But like if you bought in over here, you'd still be in the red. But it's like yo, it was oversold, and like it was started kind of coming back. Yeah, there was some money there. Sentinel one ticker S. Oh, breakout to the downside. Yeah, it looks like it might be a decent level to potentially pick up calls on that actually. Oh, Joby. Okay, Joby's chilling out now. Cool. Hold up. Let me go back to that. Cause I was wanting to take profit on this, but it just, bro, I like blinked and it just jumped up to like 9. I'm like, yo, what's going on here? Oh yeah, I'm still down on it though. It's like the contracts haven't moved. $14 call SoFi. It has potential. Yeah, I would say it has potential. I think it depends on your expiration. I feel like if you grab anything for tomorrow, I would say that risk is insane. But I would say like if you go out a week, I feel like we could have some okay movement to the upside. I don't know. Yeah, I say like I was saying that was the best entry you were going to get a few cents ago. Now I see this liquidity right here. I would say as long as this I guess it's 8:45 where I am. I guess at like maybe 11:30 if we are back kind of above this trend line, yo, I would say it's good to go. What do you think the high for the SPY will be today? Um, at at least 598.30. That's my guess. Hmm. Hood tanked. Did they? Here, let me swap this out. All right, so getting a little pullback on C3 AI. Oh yeah, they did. It broke to the downside. Yeah, so this is where I would just like right here, just kind of chill out, zoom out, and just kind of let the market do its thing. I think we kind of ran kind of big last night. That shows there's some demand. Uh, I think we got some like positive stuff as well. Just got a little profit taking going on. Here, let's see. It's so weird holding these contracts overnight because of price gaps. How do y'all do it? Uh, SoFi. Oh, SoFi. Oh, I just hold the shares. It's like I have to see something larger with SoFi. Today had been a day I've been hey, good stuff. That sounds good. Elf 160 calm up for call up 400. Hey, good stuff. Let me see. See where Elf is again. Yeah, Elf's doing this thing. SoFi is the only thing red in my portfolio. It's kind of wild. Yeah, SoFi looks like it's holding up though. Yeah, yeah, it's coming back. It didn't exactly sweep that liquidity though. I don't know. We'll see. All right, bro. Which app are you using? So, this is called TradingView. It's a website. So C3 AI, yo, there's room for that to keep going. C3 AI has broken out. So they got a price target upgrade. No, they got a revision. So it dropped, but it's like I think they still did well on their earnings. Yeah, they surprised 20%. Yeah, that's good. Are you in a SPY call? Yeah, I'm in this call right here. That's on screen. I had a 590 call on SPY yesterday. I sold as soon as, hey, yeah, you gotta see profit, take profit. A lot of times, whenever you just get these gap ups, what is that noise? Oh, the Qs are like selling straight down. Something just went off for me. Tesla. Imagine Tesla's pulling back too. Yeah, Tesla's pulling on back. All right, let's see. My girlfriend leaves 5 minutes after market open every day, and I have to walk her out. How chivalrous. How kind of you. Good morning, fam. What are we doing with SoFi again? So I'm not doing anything but holding the shares and averaging down. But when it comes to SoFi, to me, I would still say right now, if I grabbed the call where I initially said it, I would still be holding it. Like I still lean bullish on most everything that I've looked at today. This is just like a little profit taking. I think kind of just depends on how much time you got for what you're doing, where you think it's going. George, good morning. Don't let her touch door handles. I had a lot of germs on door handles. And I'll be having to race my wife sometimes. But my wife also she walks very much in the way. I'm not sure if it's like a European thing, but I don't feel like whenever we are walking, that she walks as efficiently as she could, like position wise. Top of the morning, see Smooth. Top of the morning. All right, so SoFi is pulling back up. It's back above that trend line. So as of right now, it's looking like it's liquidity. What do you think the high for Google? Here, let's see. Right now, we'll look to about like 176 if I had to guess. Danielle, good morning. Do you think PCE report tomorrow will have? Yeah, I think it'll move some things. I think it'll cause movement, but I think the market right now is looking for reason to come up. There's some profit taking going on right now. Some I guess some scares in the market, like just this morning, but I think we're gonna push up. Danielle, good morning. Good morning. Wait, did I already say that? I feel like I didn't. You said, haha, have to move her sometimes. Yeah, I know what you mean by having to move her. It's like sometimes I gotta like move her from one side to the other, almost like a basketball. I feel like I'm like dribbling a little bit. Sometimes I'm like scared to, I feel like I'm scared to let her go on her own. But it's like also sometimes it's like I'll see her when she doesn't know I'm around. And it's like she's fully capable of everything. Just acts like I'm not, or acts like she's not when I'm around. My life be like top of the morning. Like, all's well over here. I hope all's well with you as well. Yeah, market did open up a good amount up, and then it pulled back. But I think it's back on its way. Uh, you said, do you see Nvidia dropping bad? No, I feel like I see Nvidia holding. I see Nvidia holding. I'm at, what is IV Crush? Bought Nvidia on Tuesday, but my options went to zero. Though the stock. So yeah, that's what IV Crush is. It's whenever there is an event, like whenever there's something that can move the stock a lot, the implied volatility goes up. Which, like, volatility is how much something moves. And whenever something's going to happen, it's like it's implied that there's going to be more volatility. So because of that, the options prices will get more expensive to adjust for now. So we had talked about it yesterday on the stream, but we had kind of said, like, if you bought a contract that was at the money, the least that it could have moved, like the people who bought it in the money or at the money, they're like a little in the green. Their break even was like about 140 on Nvidia. But like if you had bought more than like $2 out of the money right now, you're likely down on those contracts on Nvidia. Until Nvidia moves up some more, that's how it's going to be more than likely. But yeah, implied volatility is the reason that is I would say probably like 7 out of 10 times it's better to play earnings after the earnings are announced as opposed to before it, unless you're able to catch a run up. You said, bro, that's so F true. Hey, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Yeah, it's like sending a child out into this world. I don't even have kids yet, but I hope it's not this difficult. But it probably is. Honestly, watching kids. Um, Even on this 4 QS put, think I should get out or? I mean, it just depends on, like, is there momentum there still? Yeah, that comes down to you. It's like I don't love the way it moves, but it's like, yo, you got your money back. Are you willing to risk it for more, or are you gonna pull out? That's kind of how it is. Got 305 UNH calls. Good open today. Let's see. Has it moved up more yet? Okay, 302. My youngest son graduated high school this. Hey, congrats, MSAS. Hey, yeah, congrats. Got another one on through the programming. That's cool. Out into the, I don't know, either out into college or out into the world. They just killed my spy call from yesterday, bro. Yeah, that's what they like to do. And what's crazy is they will. There is a chance they will bring it right back up, and they're I feel like right now they're probably waiting for everyone who had swings to close them, and then they're going to run it back up. I don't. That's my assumption, but it's today. Honestly, they gave no chance. I know yesterday we were looking at it when it was at like it closed yesterday at like what was it like? I think when we were watching it, it was over here at like 596.60 or something, and we were talking about like oh you're about to get paid, and then all this just happens in the pre-market. Honestly, now I'm looking at it though. The real trade, like when it's really, really going to be time, whenever we kind of cross this downtrend, this trend line that's coming down, like once we consolidate or like break up past that, that's when we start moving up. Here, let me draw it on the cues too. Hey, top of the morning, also. Could you look at waste management? Been on a bull run, but the 130, wait, the 130 week, 1 week, 30-minute graph looks, oh, okay. Yeah, I would say 30 minutes gonna look weird, but I would say watch out. They look like they could be starting to turn, but also as of right now, it's at a trend line, and the trend could continue to continue. It hasn't like broken the trend line yet, so it's like you would typically just expect the trend to continue. I don't pull out, bro. Okay, well, hey, ride it, bro. Ride it. Set a stop. Got wrecked. Luckily, all this is paper. Yes, I'm very happy for you that this is all paper, because this is the kind of stuff like that's honestly, Kelly. That's the kind of stuff that really like plays with my head when it comes to trade. I'm like, come on now. It's like it really like it's times like that when it really feels like yo, somebody is watching me and doing like exactly what I don't want. Do you see Nvidia going down? Not personally. Like unless Nvidia loses 140, I don't see it going down. I could see Nvidia not really moving too much today, but I don't see it going down. Honestly, at 140, I like the idea of getting calls with like for next week or whatnot. I had a 660 that expires tomorrow, and if Nvidia drops, Meta does. Nah, I personally think Nvidia is gonna be all right today. It can drop some more, but I feel like it'll hold 140. I got kids. 7:30 a.m. is when market opens here. That's the time I tell them have a nice day. By the way, should have taken profit on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like a lot of times when you see those moves that open, it's like yo, you a lot of times you just gotta snatch them. I was trying to snatch something on Joby. Like I was so ready, but I couldn't even put in a market order. It's like I saw it flash 65, and I was about to do it, but it quickly like dropped down to like 30. I'm like, dang. Tesla's holding 363. What do you think about calls? I think Tesla's expensive, so it's like I feel like Tesla can continue to go up, but I feel like it's expensive, so because of it, I don't have a strong feeling about calls for it. It's like I personally don't feel like it's going to move enough to justify me getting in it, but it could. What do you think about a call on Mara? Probably not where it's at for what I know about it, cause a lot of these crypto miners, they move so weird compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be running up, but like notice Mara's up 135 on the day. Bitcoin is down, but like if we look, like put this chart right here, compare this to Bitcoin, they look nothing alike. They don't move the same. It's like you're kind of just guessing. So really, to me, the only time to really get in is like whenever you see it's like closer to being like oversold, the RSI is low, which honestly the only time that really happened was over here in this region when it's clear. So it's like I like, just buy it when it's low, but beyond that, I don't really like the crypto miners. They'll eat your money up if you're trading options, in my opinion. But like, yeah, if you can buy the stock low, I would say go ahead. Jody, good morning. I've been adding calls to NVIDIA over the last month in my Hood account. Watch list. Just trying to learn about the calls function at all different price. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. That's kind of how you do it, and that's what it's there for. Once I add money, I get stressed out. Hey, I mean, honestly, that's how it is. That's like probably the toughest part about trading. It's like dealing with the loss. Think I'm gonna hold until tomorrow. Fridays usually suck anyway. That they do. That they do. And it's the last Friday of the month too. Think it might. Is that the last trading day of the month? Think it might be. Let me look at my calendar real quick. Yup, last trading day of the month. Then I'll have to see y'all next June. All right, so we're dropping a little bit more. Nvidia is back to kind of where I drew the support. So on the 1 hour chart, I think this level was a good, like, kind of, this would be a sweep of liquidity and a good entry on Nvidia. Now I say let's just see how it goes. The SPY is by this trend line, or by its trend line. So I want to see kind of how we hold up here. If we lose this, they might really try to bring it down. SoFi's still holding up too, so that's good. Call on SPY. I'm in a call on SPY already, but this would be kind of like last best and ultimate area to get it. Let me see how it's holding up. Yeah, I might go for might try to go for one too. One more, like a different one, but like one with tomorrow's expiration. Oh, that's not too much better. Let me look at the 0DTs. All right, I'm gonna go for a. This is the contract I was in yesterday. The 593 call that expires today. I just paid 58 for it. This is a gamble. But yeah, I just picked up a 593 SPY call that expires today. I think I still got it on my watch list, so I think I can still pull it up. Let's see. But otherwise I wouldn't be able to add it, but I think it's on my watch list, so this is the one I just picked up. So yeah, I can watch the price on that now. And I'm gonna kind of just let that do what it does today. We'll see how it goes. And let me alert the family. Oh wait, I didn't even take a screenshot. Everyone just grabbed a 593 SPY call that expires today. Paid. What do I pay? $0.58 per share. Very high risk, but if it's going to run, this is likely may lose it. Okay, share that. There we go. See how this trend line holds up. And let's see if this one can hold up for. Oh, I guess that's going to be past my time on the stream, so we'll see how it holds up, but that's like I'll be off the stream before that even happens, so we'll just have to watch. All right, where was the last message? What's the last message I saw? Looks like a lot have gone in since. In a QQQ put or 515 expiring today. Hey, we'll have to see. I mean, you should be going up right now, so a lot of times most crypto will follow Bitcoin except for oh yeah, most crypto will, but crypto miners, they're like different. They're weird, honestly. Nvidia. Hey, as long as Nvidia holds up here, we're good. Good morning, everyone. How was the call last night? Here, I need to post that in the Discord real quick, too. Why is the SPY really taking a dive now? It's selling. It's a semi-healthy pullback. I still believe we're gonna go up. I like to see the PCE nice and low like this though. But yeah, to me it's pulling back to go up. I think we got some nice movement coming. SPY could fall way down to, it better not. Hey, I'm hoping this trend line is my last line of defense. There is some liquidity. Actually, yeah, there is some liquidity there, but this trend line, hey, that's more than enough for me. That's way more than enough falling. Here, let's see. Would picking up shares of FNGB? Uh, yeah, kind of. It'll probably move more. Like, so if we look at the SPY is up 0.31. FNGB. Oh, it's actually down. I don't know. It would be in my opinion, but kind of don't know right now. But I would think so. Boom, $20 made on the. Hey, glad to see you got your money. Did you get that on did you get the idea from Derive? I see that had that QQQ day trade. And it was a put, but my special child tea. Here, let's see. What's it looking like today? Oh, it's kind of chilling. Kind of chilling today. What do you think will happen with? I think Nvidia is right now. Hey, it's doing what I would hope it would do, and it's doing what I thought it would do so far. But I was saying it would hold this 140. There's some liquidity right here, so ideally, we at least get another move back to 143, at least. But I would hope for a blast up higher. Bought a call on TSLL. Should I hold? Hey man, y'all keep asking me if y'all should do something. Hey, the only person who can say if y'all should do something, that's gonna be y'all. Like, I don't know y'all's motives. I don't know y'all's situation. Also not a financial advisor. Only thing I'll say should be done is, hey, add to your long-term portfolio, dollar cost average, maybe even a little bit of diversification. You know, pay yourself first when you get your paychecks and whatnot. Only thing I'll say you should do. But that's not advice as a from a YouTuber. That's advice from a friend. Good morning, lurkers. Hey, yeah, we got a lot of lurkers in here. Hey, family, make sure if you haven't already, if you can hear the sound of my voice, yo, there's a like button and it's waiting for you to smash it. Think we got 118 people here. We got 57 likes. Yo, we're trying to be free from the depths of Secot in El Salvador. See how fast we can get it up. Right now we're at 62. 64. Okay. See how fast we can get to 100. It's a race. Meta dropped terrible. Yeah, the market's dropping right now. And it's like, Lil Glow, I want you to tap into your emotions, realize what you're feeling, and know that's exactly what they want you to feel. And that's exactly what they eat and thrive off of. The people on the other side of the chart, they are not our friends. They want to sit here and the market makers, their job is to make the largest group of people look as dumb as possible when it comes to the market. So it's like, oh, it's time to stop out of the trade. It's like, okay, now we're going to buy it back up. And it's like, oh, you thought you were going to take profits? Oh, yeah, we're about to just drop it out of nobody's business, and it's like just know you're not the only one that feels like that. All right, so we're up at 73 likes. Hey, making a little bit of progress. Making a little bit of progress. You said, nah, bro, you ain't going anywhere today. I'm mine, pie. I'm in spy, same play. You're in stop loss set for $18 on. Keep me posted on listening. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. Here we go. Is Nvidia looking for a huge move after initial profit takings by? We'll see. Honestly, there's no telling. I would imagine Nvidia keeps moving up. Hold up. Hold on. Oh, okay. All right, let's see. Hey, where is support at for Google? Kind of. I mean, it kind of depends on where you're looking at, but it's kind of at a level of support right now, like 172. It's not the prettiest, not the cleanest, but there's some at 172. Then there's like a little bit at like 170, 75. Let's see. Might be a good place for a call. Hey, appreciate that, George. Appreciate you, Danielle. I saw first pay you with standard to invest. I say first pay you with the standard to invest. What was first paid leaving your new 100% greater than that old $100 ever was? Faith more. That's the new 100. I just say, yo, the first hour of each day you work, yo, that's yours. If you go to work, whatever you make that first hour, I know that's more than 10%, but yeah, it's like, yo, that should be. And when I say that's yours, it should be like not just yours to like, oh yeah, let me go spend this stupidly. Like that's you in the future. That's your family. That's your like all that kind of stuff. Fingers crossed for Fubo drop. Let's take another look at Fubo. What they were looking like oversold, right? Or overbought. Yeah, there's some sellers up here. Like you can see the wicks on it. Can I dislike? I mean, hey, you're more than welcome to dislike. I don't know how that affects things. It's like I know you can remove a like. I'm not sure if a dislike moves the like down. I wish I could see that. There was a point in time on YouTube you could see the likes, the dislikes. You could see the. Actually, I can see how many people dislike something, but I can't. I can't see like the ratio anymore. They used to be like it used to be like a certain percentage of likes or whatever. They kind of did away with that. I used to think that was pretty helpful and useful, but hey, Spy looking bad right now. It's still Spy is still doing all right. My thing is honestly, Spy just looks more and more appetizing as it goes on. We went from like way overbought to oversold. We're probably gonna have another move back up towards being overbought. My base case for what's going on, we can consolidate, kind of ride this line until it looks like at the latest maybe like 1 p.m. That would be where this trend line gets broken. If it continues to ride this bottom trend line, that would be where you get a break of the either up or break down. Everything looking bad right now. Trump a different breed. Honestly, like the situation with the court, what happened last night, that's bullish for the market. Kind of. Kind of. 15 is the new 10. Shoot, I'm trying to get to, I would like to get to 50. I still got to like pay off debt and stuff. It's like, yo, once my debt's paid off, yo, I'm rich. I ain't rich. It's like, it's crazy. Like over these past, like, I don't know, like the amount of money I make now, I'm like, yo, if I ever made that much, I'm solid. But it's like over time, like expenses have risen too. So it's like, yo, this isn't even like money like that, cause the cost of living for everything is gone up. Hey, you know what's crazy? This little camera right here I have. When I got this, I got like a kind of like creator combo for it. This camera was like 700 with the creator combo. Now the creator combo is like it's just under $1,000. So it's like the inflation and tariffs and everything have kind of like made my setup more expensive. It's kind of wild. Here, let me do another check. I was kind of curious to see if I was kind of curious when we saw that news about Trump yesterday. Like if anything, if that would affect some prices right away. Nah, it's still the same price. Yo, and just the camera itself, wow, that's more than I paid for the whole thing. That's crazy. Let's see. Let's see. Where was that? Hustle Hard Realtor, good morning. Do you think now is a better entry? So right now the spy calls are or at least the second calls I got today, they're the same price. So I still stand by what I said with the entry for those spy calls. I yeah, I feel like now is a great entry. It looks like it's holding for now. We may have even this may like it looks great. We got the RSI sold off. We are on a lower time frame, but we got the RSI sold off. We're bouncing off a trend line. Looks good to me. And then not to mention the PCE, nice and low or like sold off, so plenty of room for us to like run it up. Wait, actually no, never mind. Not run it up. The heck? Oh, okay, let's see. Buying pressure at 589. Yeah, we got some buying pressure. Yeah, a lot of buying pressure like right here. I like the way this looks right here. And let me slide these over. But yeah, I like the way these can actually show over them without them kind of going up. But yeah, it looks like Nvidia's holding for now. So the first money is yours to invest. Yup, just invest portion on you, have more in case. Yup, I agree. Yeah, I agree with your agreement. All right, so we're pushing up a little bit now. That's good. That's good. Bought the SPY dip, got More at $40 averages. Hey, good stuff. Stop loss set for a second. Hey, good stuff. I feel like what Elon is saying about the big beautiful bill should be looked into. I haven't seen what he's saying about the big beautiful bill. Honestly, I've been like fighting for sleep. Yeah, I've been fighting for sleep. It's like so it's like less time for research. It's like I've been like have a lot of things pulling me a lot of ways. What do you think is looking good today? Upside. I think this is a great opportunity for upside. Like if you this video is live, but you can always scroll back earlier to see like kind of what's happened. And yeah, right now I'm in some SPY calls. Grant Cardone says 40%. I'm trying to convince people so I keep it at the 15. Well, ideally it's like I mean 40% is nice, but you need to make a certain income. You need to like make a certain amount of money over like what the base is to get there. I'm gonna say most like regular jobs, you're not gonna do that unless you have like a good group of people that you're living with. Like if you're in, it would be nice. But if you're living on your own, if you just have one other, honestly, having two incomes is kind of helpful. But like, yo, if you're in one of those situations where you got like four roommates, that's probably like the best situation to be in right now, especially if you're younger. As long as y'all aren't being dumb with y'all's money. If QS keeps dropping, I'll switch to like in Soviet Russia, YouTube owns you. Hey, it's a good thing I'm not in Russia. Can you check on Gap for puts? Like, are you talking about actual Gap, like the stock? Oh wait, hold on, wrong thing. Hold up. Gap has support at this $28 area, so if you get confirmation below this, like if you get confirmation, yeah, below this you can go for puts, but I would personally wait because it's kind of in the middle of its range. But on a side note, I kind of mess with the Gap a little bit. I need Nvidia to break 140. Break 140 which way? If you need them to break to the downside, I am kind of against that happening a little bit. I would say the odds of that are going to be a little bit lower. They kind of they were teasing, but I'll say the odds are low. Boeing's going crazy. What's up with that? Market chatter, Boeing looking to boost 737 production to 47 per month. Okay, so increase production. Basically, it undercuts what he did with Doge. That's kind of, that doesn't make sense. That's weird. Why would he spend all that time doing that and then try to undercut it? He's probably like, okay, I need to say what I can to make Tesla fly now. I don't know. I'll have to look into that though. Hey Matthew, what my channel is about financial information share, basically showing my journey. I'll be highlighting people like you and others. Oh, that's cool. Appreciate that. So QQQ is different. Like when it comes to a trend line on QQQ, it's not going to be the same because it's moved like the pace it's moved at is different. So it's like you can draw a trend line on the Qs, like you can try, but this is where the trend line was, and then they just kind of like really got off. So I would say right now the Qs they're still moving up, but like when it comes to like a different trend line, is not really a thing right now. So like the further trend line is going to be over here. Let's see. Buddha Dev, good morning. What are you planning with this? So probably a swing trade, or at least on the one for June 4th. I got a call for today. I'm hoping that it'll be a day trade, but the June 4th is a swing trade. I would imagine that we go up. Like we see Nvidia trying to ease its way back up again. I think the market's going to come up too. Yes, you messed up when you got out of Tesla last week. I don't even remember dealing with Tesla last week. It's like unfortunately, it's like if it's unfortunately because of the nature of like being on stream, I'm in a bit of a different position. It's like I have more eyeballs on what I'm doing. So it's like me, I like to take my trades like and then just kind of like leave them alone and not look at them and just like maybe check every maybe once or twice a day or so just to check in, but really get to what I'm doing. But it's like because I'm here, I'm just staring at it and I'm like, oh, I have like a lot more, I guess you could say, intrusive thoughts that kind of like I have to battle with. And like sometimes it's like, yo, I forget what I originally said. Here, let's see. I agree. 40 not able to do that first. That's why I push 15 and divide. I know some people that aren't even able to do 10. Never have overdraft or worry about car being booted. Yeah, I I also feel like though it's like with a lot of the people I deal with, it's like having all those like categories and having more for them to do. It's like it makes them want to do less too. It's like my thing is kind of like trying to find like a way to reach the people who just kind of give up and don't do anything. Check ground news when get the chance. Let's see. Let's take a look. Ground news. Hey. Oh, Elon Musk leaving role in the Trump administration. That's like top headline. Let's see. Elon Musk ended his special role as government employee, leading the Department of Government Efficiency on Wednesday evening. Musk's departure followed the expiration of a 130-day service limit and came shortly after he criticized President Trump's spending bill. During his tenure, Musk pushed to cut federal agencies and spending but faced workforce disruptions, protests, and political resistance. Musk said the bill increases the budget deficit and undermines the work. Okay, I see what you're saying. While Doge claimed 175 billion in savings, though this figure is disputed, Musk's exit signals a scaled-back government role as he refocuses on his companies despite the agency's effort to strengthen over time. Okay. See what you mean now. Oh, so you were actually talking about Navitas? Here, I have to actually see Navitas. I thought you were talking about NVIDIA. I don't know what Navitas is, so I gotta. If you want me to look at Navitas, you gotta drop the ticker symbol because I don't know what Navitas is, and nothing just popped up. What are thoughts on QBTS? Nothing at the moment. Yeah, I don't have anything to say about QBTS. The chart looks weird. It looks like it's just consolidating in the range right now on QBTS. This is the range while we're in between here. It's in an uptrend, so I would just expect it to keep going up. But yeah, while it's in between that area, it can very well just consolidate and do its thing. Oh, need to break 140 up. Well, Nvidia is holding 140 up right now. It's doing its thing. It's doing what it needs to. Bro, on the TradingView app, how do I see my alerts? Like on the actual app? So like are you talking about when they pop up? Cuz it's like I usually set them here and I'll add the alert and then like I get like it just pops up. Whatever the alert is like I got some on Nvidia earlier today. Like whenever Nvidia crossed this line right here, popped up and said it popped up and said Nvidia 1 hour crossing horizontal rate. So I guess you need to have your notifications set on your phone, and you need to be signed into the same TradingView account on your computer as on your phone. But yeah, you just have to have it where your alerts are set or where your notifications are on your phone. Okay, I'm trading. I'm through trading for the day. Grew my account. That's good. That's why I want to learn this trading thing. Finish for the day. All right, what? Hey, enjoy your time riding your bike. Hey, have a good day in a sense. What calls are y'all doing today? I'm personally doing spy calls. You said, what do you think is a good time zone to use when trading stocks daily? I personally just use the time zone I'm in. The stock market is Eastern Standard Time. Like when you see, like the actual New York Stock Exchange is in Eastern Standard Time. So the market opens at 9:30, and that's the time you'll hear being referenced. But I usually just use whatever time I'm in. So I'm central, so I'm an hour behind. But it's like I would just use that one for comparison, but I use my time. Open more bank accounts. That can be that can be kind of what was I gonna say? That could be once again hurdle with all the bank accounts. That article is so biased it's stupid. So that was actually here, let's look at that again. So it wasn't one article, it was like a summary of multiple articles. So it says it leans about 32% to the left, but 42% are like the news sources. So it's like multiple sources kind of like All that article was based from 48 different like sources. 32% of the sources that it came from come from the left. 42% fairly in the middle, and then 26 are in the right. So that's kind of how it is. Here, let me see if I can share with y'all. I think I got it pulled up where I can do that. Let's see. Oh, yeah, right now it looks like we're just gonna chill, take our time. They're gonna like let Theta do his thing and make contracts. Wait, why don't I see anything? It looks like it's not working. I'm trying to show y'all the article, but it's not working. So we'll just leave it alone. They're working with Nvidia and are rumored to get work with AMD as well. So once again, if y'all want to like say what the ticker symbol for Navitas is, I can look at it, but I don't know what the ticker symbol is, so I can't really do anything. No, like on the phone app, I can't see how many I created. I don't ever really look at it like that. Let's see. Yeah, I'm trying to look right now, but here, chart. Yeah, so on the phone app, here, let me try and see if this will work again. It was not working, but I'll see if it'll let me, if it'll show my phone or not. Let's see. All right, here it is. So on the phone app, if you want to look at your alerts, so what you want to do, I'm on the little chart screen right here. I'm going to click on this like little next to the little pin down here. I'm going to click on this, and then right here you can see it shows alerts, and then I can see I have all these alerts in here, or I can see I can see all my alerts in here. So yeah, you would just want to make sure you're not on the watch list, you're on the chart screen, and there you go. How much do y'all make a week on options? I think that varies greatly. I think it just depends on how many contracts you get. And I think the number varies greatly. So I can't even say really know. Good morning, Mahishu. Chris L. Cug, good morning. What do you think Nvidia going to leave at today? Higher. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised to see Nvidia at 145 by the end of the day. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw that. $26 lurkers. Let's hit that like button. Oh yeah. Hey family. Family. Yo. We got 103 people on the stream. 82 likes. Yo, we're still in the race to hit that 100, so that we don't end up having to restrict things tomorrow and be in El Salvador. So yeah, if we can like try to run the likes up, hey, that'll be cool. Otherwise, we'll be in El Salvador. But yeah, right now, 84 likes. If you have not hope, 85, 85. Hey, we racing on up. I appreciate you, MSS. MVTS. Okay, there we go. That's what I want. Yeah, cause well, this that was Monday. This pop. Wait, this is a weekly chart here. Let's So this just gapped up and went crazy on Wednesday, about a week ago. What was the initial question with this? Like, it's moving up. Insider sold shares. Oh, here, let me just add it to my watch list. This will be something that I'll have to do some more learning about. SPY should take off, just saying. That's what I'm thinking as well. It should. It's just taking its time. It's letting some theta die, letting some people close their contracts. Honestly, whenever I get off the stream, the SPY is gonna do that thing it likes to do. Where it's like, yo, is he still looking? And then we're like, oh nah, he's not looking. They're like, let's run. That's what the SPY likes to do. Normally trade on Hood. Anyone else having issues with Moomoo? Network issues? Let me see. Where are you, like, what are you doing to have them? It's like right now things look like they're working, but I'm also not trying to take any specific trades, but like everything that I see and am doing is fine. And let's see. Oh, it's like I see all the numbers changing fine. I go to like I'm about to buy. Everything looks fine. But there's not anything I'm just ready to do right now, so. CKULR. No, I don't have any contracts with them. They're just something that I kind of look at the chart for sometimes. If they get cheap enough, I'll pick up some shares. Okay, 90 likes. Hey, appreciate y'all, family. Hey. Think we can bust out 10 more before we out of here. All right, let's see. Come on, SPY, go up. Hey, I'm telling y'all, it's waiting until it doesn't think I'm looking anymore. After I turn around, or it'd be nice if I could just like turn around like this. And then the SPY would be like, oh yeah, let's take off, but it wants me to be doing something, and then it'll take off. Trying to place an option trade in Moomoo. Here, let's see. Looks like it's working for me. It let me at least put in the order, but I tried to put it in at a level that wouldn't get filled, because I don't want to actually get filled. So it looks like it's working, but also I didn't get filled because I'm not trying to get filled, but it looks like it's working for me. Do you think NVTS will maintain the trend? I am led to believe that. Nothing is leading me otherwise. Oh, there goes the SPY a little bit. SPY trying to push a little bit more back to break even on that 0 DTE. Yes, Moomoo was randomly acting crazy. Interesting. All right, what do you think of AI right now to buy a call? So AI broke out. I think they look good to like ride something. It's like I would love to see them like retest this level, but it's like they look all right. Or it's kind of like they did do a little retest. They also look like overbought, but for me, it's like yeah, they're probably gonna do well. It's like I would like to see them pull back, but I think they have potential. How is Bull looking? Or is it on the day it's down. So right now Weeble is still like kind of it's still consolidating. Like in this range. It like next level to take out on Weeble is gonna be like this 1421 level. Looking like a bull flag on MVTS. What indicators do you use? I think I use EMAs and RSI, but I would say those are kind of like guides. Just kind of like show me what's going on. But I think I also have like, here, let's see. If you want more clarity on what indicators I use though, here's a link to a video. That'll show you exactly which ones I use and how I set them up. If you're looking to replicate it, but yeah, I just use the RSI and some EMAs. I mostly just look at the charts though. Nvidia says China curbs could cost 8 billion. Okay. Okay, we're coming up a little bit. We like to see the blue. Like to see a little push up. All right. Hey, pushing on up, pushing on up. Let's see it. Oh yeah, we're up on our 0 DTE now. Not if you're somebody who bought it yesterday and still holding. That's gonna hurt. I still think it might. I still think there's a chance that it could expire in the money. But we'll have to see. Oh shoot, hold up. 5.99, same day. Oh, I see Derive AI has they put in like 12 minutes ago. It's a slightly better, it's like one strike better than the one I was looking at, but they put in a call for the exact same date. Oh, look at that. Look at that spy call. Let's go. Let's go. We're moving up a little bit now. Let's go. All right, we got Nvidia back to 141.81. AI is kind of chilling up there. We got the Qs pushing up a little bit. Here, let me pull up let's pull up AMD. See how they're looking too. AMD, where you at? Oh, they're kind of chilling right now. Derive put out a call on AMD. And I'm gonna be real. I like calls on AMD. Depending on how much they move today, or the spy call moves today, I might take that and might move it to like an AMD or something. Thoughts on Rocket Lab decreasing? Rocket Lab's not one like I'm like the highest conviction on. So because of that, I need to buy it at lower prices. But yeah, for me, I need Rocket Lab like along this trend line whenever I see it. Like, so last time, I think April 7th it hit over here. That was cool for me. But yeah, there's this long-standing trend line on Rocket Lab. Oh, there's still this gap to like 25.51 as well. I don't know. Right now, this is an area. This area is an area of support, so it could hold up here. But if it doesn't, then I'd look at 27. But right now, it's in an uptrend. Its current range is from 126.55 to 30.40. So just kind of trading with the trend. You would expect it to keep going up. Yeah, let's see if we can let's see how we look on the 5. Do kind of have like a little uptrend on the 5. Here, let's see. See if we can slide this over. Let's see if this holds up or how long it holds up. Yeah, see if this trend line to the upside holds up on the SPY. Let me see if I can draw one on the Qs as well. SoFi might move up. Here, let's see. Yeah, SoFi still looks good to me right now. Not on the lower time frame, but on the 4 hour, they look like. Once again, it's gonna matter like. However, as long as they close where they are or higher in the next like hour, SoFi can still move up in my eyes. And you're very welcome, Miguel. What was I doing? Oh, I was about to draw a trend line on the Qs. Yeah, let's see if we can get a continuation on that. Spike trying to come down pretty hard. Oh no, it's still fine right now. Hey, five More likes, and we're free. The promised land is ours. After lunch, it might jump. Hey, if you pay attention to the market like every day after I leave, honestly, that's when it gets good. I'm like, dang. Any idea why Tesla stock is dropping? Saw nothing in the news. Here, let's look at Tesla real quick. I don't even. I don't know. It looks like it's trying to hold up right now. It looks pretty similar to. It's like a little different, but it's also pretty similar to what these other stocks are doing. So I can't really say it's. I think it's moving similar to the market. What broker do I use? I use Robinhood and I use Moomoo. How does Lyft look to you? Not on the 5 minute. So I think so. They had support here. They look bearish to me right now. They look like they're in a pullback. So right now, if I took a trade on Lyft, I would. Well, so they're in a bullish range, but right now it's like I probably wouldn't take any upside on them unless I was picking them up from this 13, 16 down to like $12 range. So right now it's like I can see them pulling back. They don't have to, but right now I would just more wait for an entry for upside as opposed to riding downside if I were looking at Lyft. Tesla is dropping because Uber is climbing. Here, let's see. Oh, not the case, right? Oh, we're on the 5 hour chart. Hold up. Okay. All right. So we got Uber right there. Let's see. All right, Uber. I wouldn't say climbing, but it's close. It's close. Are you on Moomoo right now? Right now I'm on Robinhood because of the possibility that I may want to spread something. That's the only one where I have the margin account with the right trading level to do the stuff I want to do. SPY's trying to pull back on the short term, or at least on the 5 minute. We'll see. You said the screen we're looking at. No, this is the screen we're looking at. This is trading view. I'm in a swing trade on Lyft for next Friday. Hey, no problem, money hungry D. Yeah, once again, yeah, this is trading view. Yo, we are 4 likes away from the promised land. I feel like such a YouTuber, like asking for the likes, like, yo, can I get a like? Yo, can you smash the like button? Can you smash it? Yeah, we need 3 more. That's kind of wild. Just join in. What is happening here? So right now we're just The market is kind of like moved. It's kind of just chilling now. So right now we're just here waiting, seeing what the market wants to do. So yeah, we're just here looking at charts. Sometimes there are questions. Sometimes we answer questions. But yeah, we're just all here having the all right time. Okay, I have Robinhood, Cow, and Coinbase. Okay, I feel you. I feel you. It's been a minute since I looked at my Coinbase. Let me see what's up with Coinbase. I hope I looked at my email instead. You have to remind us to like we are locked in. Oh yeah, hey, I feel like I remind like a lot. So it's like I guess I guess if you're not asking 25 times, then hey, you're not trying. Is this a setup for a swing trading today? I personally think, yeah, we got opportunity. So I have this one call like a 600, this 600 spy call that expires on the 4th. So next, I think it's next Wednesday. I'm not fully sure, but no, not next. Yeah, I think it's next Wednesday, I think, or maybe Tuesday. We'll see. But it expires that day. I think that call is a good swing. So yeah, we're in a swing. So yeah, it's in a swing trade. I'm currently down on that trade. So yeah, it's still, in my eyes, still like decent today. Today is the epitome of the elevator down and the stairs up. Yeah, something like that. We didn't like confirm here. Let me go back up to a 15. Okay, yeah, we look a little better on the 15 than we do the 5. Yeah, back to the 15. Still looking good on the 15. Let's see if we can make some more progress. Push up some more. Ride it on up. When the stock gets rejected hard at VWAP, I don't really use the VWAP like that. So what does it typically indicate it? Yeah, so once again, I can't really say anything. It's cannot say. I just know that's the average trading price of the day, pretty much. Like based on the volume. It looks like it just means there are people that want to take profits. That's like at its simplest terms, there are people who want to take profit at that level. There are people taking profits, and there are probably more people at that level willing to take profits. But beyond that, I don't really know what else to say about that. I have it for the wallet, but it's cheaper to trade crypto on Robin. Yup. That's what I wanted to ask you about yesterday. Moving stocks to Moomoo and keeping. I mean, isn't your wallet, your crypto wallet, separate on Robinhood? I mean, it still shows up like in your, I guess, investing account, but you got like a whole nother tab for crypto. So I don't necessarily see the need to have them separate. If that's something you want to do, I mean, that's something you want to do, but I guess it just depends on what you want to do. It's something you can do. Let me look at my Coinbase. Oh, let me see if they have any like free crypto for learning right now. Let me just do this just because I just saw it. Hey, if anybody wants to sign up for Coinbase, there is a referral link right there. I don't even know what it is. It says 30 for me and 30 for you. Your first trade of $20 or more. So yeah, I'm gonna just throw that there if anyone's interested. But I don't really use Coinbase like that. Here, let's see. Oh, I still got a lot of these little ones. He said, nah, use mine. So, hey, try to post your link. It's not gonna let you. It's like if you can figure out who wants to, hey, that's all you. And then post the link up. But I think it's good and bad that I have it set to where you can't post your links in here because it's like there are a lot of people like to post spam. Ugh. Ooh, my shoulder feels like it needs to pop. All right, so I guess this trend line that I had seen was, hey, we'll call that invalid for now. Actually, yeah, we'll call that invalid for now. Let's look on the 5. No, I'm gonna look at it on the 5 real quick. We'll see. Yo, where is SPY going right now? So if we look back at what I had originally said, so looking at the SPY, we have been following this trend line since April 7th. This one's from this morning, this little downtrend. And we should get the answer to that question by 1 p.m. or within the next, I guess, 3 hours. But my thing is, as long as we're above this lower trend line, hey, it's all good. We kind of dip below just a little bit, but yeah, as long as we stay above that, we're all good. We're still in an uptrend. You said advertise on your channel. I got one video that I posted about Bitcoin or Coinbase. It's about like how to make money from like the free like learning videos. But honestly, there's so much I could like advertise for, like with referral links and whatnot. I just try to keep it to whatever I'm using at the moment. Google can blast out off what is support. So it should still be the 172, like I said earlier. Yeah, 172 is still support. Like you can see all the buying pressure right here as well. And then also we got this 13 EMA over here. Oh, let me look at this SPY on the 4-hour. Oh yeah, that's good. I didn't even realize that, but yeah, we also got the 13 EMA right here. Let me clear this one, but yeah, there's a good chance we'll find some life from this right here. Know somebody else advertising on yours? Oh yeah, nah. Oh no, it's crazy how many people used to try to do that in the comments. That's when I had to like stop it. I'm like, chill out with that. Go make your go attract your own audience. Go make your own friends. These are my friends. I don't like to share. No, I'll share if you're cool. I'll share if you're cool. It's like, yo, let's I gotta show you to my friends. But if you're not cool, it's like, nah, go on somewhere. Hey, you're very, very welcome. Hey, thanks for looking to change your own life. Hey, I'm just here for your journey of, trying to change your life. I just noticed I got like the I'm not even like central in the frame. It's almost like it was focused on that like door in the background. I'm just over here off to the side. But I need to go back to 5. Oh yeah. And honestly, I don't doubt that it could happen today. Palantir looking to explode. Yes, I agree. So here, let's go back to, let's take a look at the Palantir. My pal Antir. Where? Oh, it's 1 second. I would argue it's looking to explode to the upside. Like it's above this like little trend line range. Like it's still holding. Like yeah, I would think it wants to explode too though. It's a pretty cool door. It's alright. Has some good width to it. Maybe. No, it does not have good width to it actually. I was just or actually yeah, it does. It does. Hey, okay. QS looks like that's lower than it was when I last saw it, so that's good. Yes, up is my outlook as well. Hey, it looks like we just wait on the news. Wait on the news. This is like there's probably going to be some catalyst. Palantir has just stricken some kind of contract with this company or whatever. Let's see. Bro, I want Joby back at this here, let me slide this over. I was like, yo, 791 would be nice, but honestly, I'll snag it if it hits that low of day again. I was really just wanted to lock in that open. And they just teased me. Teased me right there. I'm here for it. I have a call for mid-July. Mid-July, okay. Hopefully they do their thing. Oh wait, let's okay, we're looking at good thing is the RSI is like chilling in the middle. It's not overbought, not oversold. Yeah, it's just chilling, so it's sometimes it has to like reset so it can do these things. Let's see what it looks like. Daily charts chilling. Weekly chart. Yeah, it's almost like it needed to cool off for the weekly chart cuz weekly chart looks like it's close to being overbought, but it's like it taking this time is allowing it to kind of yeah, just get ready to take off. Phrasing. I don't even know what I just said. But no, like if I phrase something like something and it makes you laugh, good. But also I try not to bring like sometimes I do that on purpose. I didn't just now, but sometimes I do that on purpose. And just so the people who will laugh will laugh. Like the people who will take joy from it take joy from it. But also like some people, you know, if it's over their heads, it's not for them. But we don't need to go out of the way to explain it either, because it's probably like, yo, let's keep the innocence around. Stocks need rest too. Yes, they do. I just want them to. They. I feel like they need to rest whenever we're not doing it. I do it too. My girl always gets on me. Yeah, I would say I can relate. I can relate there, Matt. Very much so. Was on a call, so I missed it. You look into so Joby, I'm in puts on Joby. I was hoping to take profit this morning, but then it moved up like right at open. Joby isn't something I would follow. That's just something I got in yesterday just to try to swing. It's like I still think there might be a little profit to be had there, but it's like it's not something I would like take if I could if I were to do it again. What is a good call for Palantir? How long? But honestly, I can't even say. Like Palantir looks nice to me, but I'm a reversal kind of trader, so it's a little different for me. Actually, you know, this actually like looking at it, like after the pullback, looking at like the support found at this EMA, honestly, this probably was a nice area to get Palantir. So whenever it comes to what's a nice call, that kind of depends on your account size. That depends on where you think it's going. I usually look to target the high. Usually, if you can give yourself more time, the better. But it really just depends on how you want to take advantage of that. When you talk about one stock, any chance you can show only. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. We can do that. Next time we focus in on one, we can just go to one. Honestly, the main one I'm really focused on right now is really just looking in on the SPY. But right now, not really much of anything going on. It's really just kind of like chilling right now. Hey, top of the morning, we'll buy a long call on Palantir. Here, that's what we were just talking about. So, all right, looking at Palantir to me is it's a lot of consolidation, a lot of movement. Yeah, I would say everything is kind of consolidating right now, but we will get to a point where we do some more movement. But yeah, looking at Palantir, we got all these. Hey, no problem, Rocky. We got all this kind of like movement up, aggressive kind of movement up. But and then if we like zoom out, if we look at Palantir on a monthly, Palantir has been on the up and up on the monthly chart since like June of 2024, aside from March of this year. So we had that massive run there, and now Palantir is still in the middle of making a range. If as long as Palantir expires above like or closes tomorrow above like 120, Palantir is still pushing. So honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if Palantir had like a nice day tomorrow too. But yeah, kind of looking at it. Oh, I kind of like the idea of like 127, like it taking out 127, and then it's like it'll probably come back for the 134 at one point, but um, we're going to get to a point where I pull my hair out. You should look at this. Oh man, we can look at it. Nothing much is going on right now. So, oh wait, hold up. I see the SPY. Looks like it's starting to move a little bit more. Let's see. All right, now it's okay. Yeah, right now we're still very much like, looks like lower range of the current range is like 589.58. The upper end is like 591. So it looks like here, let me move this down. So like if we can break that again, there an alert on this? Let me set an alert. We might see some more movement, but let's see. Hey, peace out, Josh. Have a blessed day. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for smashing the like button, and you're very welcome. AT&T, not much to say here. Looks like it kind of has some kind of like down trending kind of. I don't know. Looks like it's trending down, but that's like not in the prettiest of ways. Facetious. Okay, let's see. Why was SPY at 597 after hours? So combination. So it was. I would say it was probably about 591 from Nvidia earnings yesterday. Like just from Nvidia going up, and then we got news that the court blocked Trump's ability to be able to like put these tariffs like in to enforce all these tariffs. So because of that, that's a bullish look for the market. We ran up like that after hours. The market liked it. Then we kind of started selling off like around probably like 7:30 this morning when we got the news. So right here on this candle, we got the news about the consumer sentiment. Not consumer sentiment. It was unemployment claims. Then we kind of sold off from that. But I would think we're still gonna. I still lean. Wait, what am I doing? I still lean towards us like coming on up today. As long as we hold. Anything to buy right now? I mean, I'm sure there's plenty to buy. It just really depends on what you want to do with your money. And it depends on how long you're willing to lock it up. There's plenty to buy. But I've already kind of made my buys for the day. Oh, I know what you mean, Matt. Yeah, it's just hey, sometimes you need to see a chart. You need SPY to hit 598 before June 6th. Oh, that doesn't sound bad. Or at least not where it's at right now. I just got an ad from Nintendo. Oh no, it's talking about the old one. I was about to say I was getting an ad from Verizon. It's like, get the Nintendo Switch on us when you sign up for 5G home internet. I wish I could do all this online without having to talk to people. That move up on the spot just isn't. That is exactly, yeah. That's how they do it. They went here. Actually, I forget that I'm able to. We're kind of able to see the different orders and stuff that go in. Let me pull up Moomoo. Let's see. Let's look at the SPY options. It's been a minute since I've looked at the analysis. So volume by strike price, today's expiration. There's like a massive amount of 592 calls, or there's like a massive amount of calls at the 592 area that are kind of holding us down. And then honestly, it looks like the calls outweigh the puts until about, can I, at this wait, actually, still kind of outweighs at the 590 level. So it's like, but once it gets to 589, the puts kind of go crazy and outweigh the calls. So it's like right now, what would be best for them is for it to be at like the 589.50 level, like when it comes to profitability. You said if I'm ever serious, I'll type. Wow, then, Matt. I had this contract since the beginning of this month. It's a wild journey, man. Honestly, like when it comes to the SPY, that's a tough one to hold over time for me, in my opinion. Time decay seems to be eating faster than it can go up. Oh, if you're talking about the 593 call, yeah, it's like the time decay, very much so eating it. Hey, yeah, I might get destroyed on that, but it also might do something, which is very annoying. How they try to wait until wait till it's pretty much worth nothing. Oh, we're free. Yeah, yeah, we're free. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we did it. We're free. I don't know where the extra likes came from, but hey, we did it. We made it. Yeah. Thanks. Bye. Big red candle on the 5. Keep. Yep. Oh, that's that VWAP that keeps happening. That's wild. Probably get a flip at some point. Need Nvidia to hit 145. I still think there's a good chance. How are you seeing those statistics? Here, I can kind of show you a little bit. It doesn't like let me hover over it on the computer, but I can kind of show you a little bit. Let's see. All right, so I'm on Moomoo, or let me back out to show you how I got here. So I'm on Moomoo, right? And I'm on the watch list. And then I just went to the SPY. I clicked on options. And it's like you can look at the options chain, but look at the analysis. And then you scroll down. And then this right here is like just the trading volume. And like if you hover over these, you can see the amount of the volume of the calls and puts at each level. If you scroll down even more, you can kind of stratify here. Let's tighten the level here. We'll put it to like 600 and we'll put it like there. So this is kind of the open interest for these strike prices. This was before the market opened, so I don't even know what strike price is. This is 91, so this is probably 89. There are a lot of calls for 589, but all this has been like adjusted. So during the day, looking at the actual volume, probably going to be a lot more relevant. But yeah, this is where I look at that. It's just I can't show you on here because it doesn't like show when I hover over it like it does on my phone. When are you gonna buy spy? I already bought the spy call. Like I'm in 2 spy calls today. I grabbed a $600 spy call that expires on the 4th. And I grabbed one that this one might end up expiring worthless today, but this is showing from yesterday, but I took profit on the one yesterday. So this is I'm not down this bad today. I think I'm down like 28. But this might expire worthless. If it doesn't come back to life today, but I'm willing to let this one I'm willing to kind of just see what happens today. Because I think the ability for it to go up is pretty good today. So one of my nerd friends keeps telling me to buy Nintendo. He also knows nothing about the market. So Nintendo does I don't know. It's like they kind of have they have the market in a grip. What's it? NT. Yeah, here we are. So I think there is here. Let's go up more. So I would say like their stock. I feel like did they do a split or something? Here, let's go to a weekly because I feel like I've seen their stock way higher before. They had to have done a split or something. Oh yeah, they did a split over here. Yeah, I was gonna say because I was like, yo, I remember when Nintendo was like a lot more. Yeah, so they did a split. All right, so they're still pretty high right now. I don't know if this is. I'm not sure I would call this a good price then. If it was $20 before the split, I was gonna be like, yo, this is a good price. But yeah, Nintendo, they kind of move a little weird. Like I kind of remember all this over here. I'm like, okay, they're going down, they're selling off. I remember this over here. It seemed like they moved kind of so slow. But yeah, they do have that switch that it releases in like I guess like 6 days. And like they're charging more for their games. They're kind of forcing people to go up. And I feel like the people that play with Nintendo Switches, like the people that like really have them, they are like, bro, they're like gripped. Like they'll get it no matter what. It's like I got one coming, but it's like what is it? I got one coming, but I'm not gonna be buying all this stuff like that. It's like I kind of make money with mine. The first week I was up like 400, so I waited thinking it was gonna go up even more. That sounds like the story of options. Honestly, that is yeah. That's why the whole see profit take profit's a thing. Hey, you're very very welcome, Elegant Boom. Very very welcome. Big Reg, hello. Hello. Appreciate you stopping by, family. Here, let me come back in. We're very much just doing this little range consolidation thing. Doing a little sell off, so it's like maybe we don't by the end of the day. Maybe we don't do anything today. And maybe it's tomorrow. Maybe we gap up. I don't know. You got a mental stop loss for that spy call. This trend line. This trend line that it's been respecting since. I mean, they had like a fake out over here. But yeah, this trend line has been respected by the SPY since the 7th when it hit that low. So that's my stop loss. But no, we should still get a move up. Maybe not today, but we should get a move up. Also looking at it, we're in a demand zone as well. Is this like your full-time job? No. I don't really. Here, let me see if I can tell y'all how much money I made from my last stream. Let me see. Or the money from yesterday's stream wouldn't be out, but the last one that it showed me. Where is it? Honestly, I can probably just go and look at here, let's go to revenue. Where's live? All right. Okay, I think this would be fun. All right, so wait, is this live? Hold up. Watch, shorts, memberships. What did I just click on? Oh, there we go. There we go. Whoa, I kind of made a lot on that one. But I would like y'all to guess how much y'all think. Honestly, it might be more than y'all think. But like, guess how much y'all think I make from these like live streams. I'm just curious what y'all think. Palantir on the 15th minute looks like a bear flag. Might take a long call on Nintendo just cause. I mean, if you get time, yeah, Nintendo doesn't. It's like the options usually aren't too crazy. All right, so we got 34 per day. We got 105, 200 per month. Yeah, I think so. What I'm going to show y'all is like about how much it is for 28 days, or like over a 28-day span. So it's like over those 28 days, we'll say I probably stream like 20 of those 28 days, because of the weekends. But okay, we got 34 a day. So here, let's do the math for that. 20 times 34, that's like 640 or something. Yoko said 105, 200. Hey, appreciate you coming through, man. $12 a day. So 12 times 20, that's about like 240. We got all our guesses in. Just trying to check before I show y'all. $75 a day. I'm trying to make sure they stop before I show. But yeah, I like these little guessing games. So 75 a day, that would be like let's see. So that'd be like 1,500. What was that? Over 28 days, 100 a day. It'd be at 2,800. Long on SPY still needs to hit the high. Yeah, I'm long on it too. We got it's trying to test this trend line. 25 a day. So that'd be about 525 a day. Okay. All right, I'm saying, y'all. And this is just for the live streams, by the way. Just for the record. What we're factoring in. Think we're ready? Think we're ready? 200 a day for the live stream. All right, I'm gonna have to show y'all now. I think we got the full range of what is it? All right, so here I'm gonna actually, let's see, where'd it go? All right, so right here, this is what it is for the last 28 days. These were my highest earning streams. I apparently made a lot May 2nd. These were my next top performing. So all the other streams were below these, but yeah, per every like 1,000 views, it looks like it's about $24. And yeah, this is how much I get for live streams. This was the best day though. Honestly, this might have been the day when it was like going crazy with that. Actually, I'm not even sure, but that's how much I get for streaming. So it's like nothing crazy. Like definitely say I would make more if I were working a regular job doing this. How much have you made off stocks this month? Oh, that's a hard question. Just cause like my portfolio goes up and I have multiple. That's like I would say net when it comes to net position with options this month. Let me see. So I'm down like 700 this month on options. It has not been a good month with options, but with when it comes to like shares and stuff, let's just say I'm up well above that. Well above that because I have multiple accounts that I kind of buy in. So like right now I'm not like throwing too much into options. Once I can get like a few like thousand just like that I can leave on like leaps, we'll be chilling. But wait, okay. Hey, peace out, D Scurv. Hey, have a blessed day. I'm probably a couple minutes behind you. Looks like we're still holding up here though. Just came any predictions on Uber? Here, let's look at Uber real quick. I think Uber is likely to come up here. This is a level of support that's kind of like 84.50 area. Yeah, Uber looks like it's probably going back up, probably at least to this 89. I would say get like a couple weeks of time. That looks good to me. Who is this? Here, let's see. What do you have invested? What do you mean by that? When you say, what do you have invested? You think I should buy SPY right now for a day? That comes down to you. Like if you get SPY, like I do want to say, if you get SPY and it's like for a day, like I want you to know that SPY call I have that expires today is very high risk, and that there is a high likelihood that it'll expire worthless. Like where I lose all my money on that. That's a chance I'm taking. But so it's like, do I think you should do it for a day? I would say probably not. I would say, like, if you're going to do it, get time. I'm just taking my chance with that. No problem, Nusa. You said do it? Oh, wait. Okay. What the holding? What do you own in stocks? So I have some Google, AMD. I got Estee Lauder. I got SoFi. I don't know. Like I got it in different accounts. Let's see. Estee Lauder. AMD, PayPal, SoFi, Elf, Honest, Nike. IonQ. I think that's it. I just have those same stocks kind of spread throughout my portfolios. Looks like Tesla is coming up. Yeah, I was saying like Tesla looks like it wanted to hold this level right here. We only got like one candle completely above, but like that or below, the one candle that was completely below like ended up holding up. So I would say we're still like kind of chilling. Oh, it looks like Letitia's a little bit behind. But yeah, I think we're gonna call it a day right here. Yeah, we're like right here. They're playing games. Let's see. I think the sooner I get off, the sooner the market can start going back up. Oh, on the 4 hour, it looks like it's still chilling. But yeah, the sooner I get off, the sooner the market can start going back up. So yeah, I think we're gonna call it a day here, family. If you want to come back tomorrow, hey, I'll be here. Looks like we're free from going to El Salvador too. So to those of you still here, I want to take this time to say, hey, thank you very much for stopping by. Hope each and every one of y'all's trades kind of go y'all's way. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Don't know what SPY looks like it's trying to sell off, but I think it's still gonna be all right. But yeah, peace out D Scurv, peace out Yoko, peace out JP, peace out Ann, peace out Christine, peace out Daniel, peace out CCAA Corner, peace out Satara, peace out Brandon, peace out 619 Monty, peace out Drama King, peace out Daniel, peace out D Scurv, peace out Nusa, peace out Matt, peace out Letitia, peace out Mahishu, peace out My Life Be Like, peace out Jacqueline. Very welcome. Peace out, Christine. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Ox. Y'all have a blessed day. Hopefully this bread is here to be gotten. Hold up, what's going on? They're trying to play games right here. But peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Video Rillo. Yeah, it looks like SPY's dropping. I'm gonna still give it some time though. Peace out, Evil Knievel. Peace out, Evil. Or Elegant Boom. Peace out, Brown Man. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all. Peace. Peace out, Chris.